The AudioControl LC6i black line out converter is a solid choice for integrating an aftermarket amplifier with a factory head unit while keeping factory controls intact. Its 6 speaker-level inputs can handle very powerful factory amplifier outputs, making it suitable for modern vehicles with high power stock systems. The internal summing capability lets you combine multiple full-range and band-limited channels into clean full-range preamp outputs, which is extremely useful when working with complex factory audio setups. Automatic signal sensing and remote turn-on simplify installation by eliminating the need to find an accessory wire, so the system powers up reliably whenever the factory audio is active. The AutoMode feature can derive additional output channels from a 4-channel input, giving you flexibility to run front, rear, and subwoofer channels without extra processors. AudioControl backs the LC6i with a long warranty and a reputation for durable, low-noise designs, so it is a dependable core component for a high-quality car audio upgrade.